Welcome back to Deck Trains, the series where we look at a different train set from the collection every week. It is week 108, which means there's only 3 more left. Oh my gosh, this is coming to an end way too quickly. Well, this week, new in 1974 is Fleischmann's passenger set number 6375, featuring the Little Green Betty, a green and red BN2 branch line tender loco, Fleischmann's number 4110. She's pulling 2 from 1974. Also, coaches numbered 5064. They are red and cream from the Arosa private railway. But boy, I am in such a disarray this week, I can only put my hands on one of the coaches for this video. So, I guess we're going to supplement a little bit with Fleischmann number 5052, which is an all-green second-class coach from the DR, and a Fleischmann 5055 all-green baggage wagon from the DR. I could find very little information on this tender loco in real life. It is apparently an NOB Bauart C 2/2 Dampflokomotive. Its production run is estimated to be between 1895 and 1902 for at least 356 units. No idea of a speed rating, but we all know an 040 of this time period would not be a fast unit. That's maybe 45 kilometers an hour, 28 miles an hour on our side of the pond. Our scale model does a lightning fast 120.7 kilometers per hour at 75 miles an hour at only 50% power. Quite a difference from reality. Yes, in part 2 we're going to bring back the 5569 Fleischmann Track Cleaning Wagon. This is one of the early ones, folks. Well, it's time to wind down another episode, but tune in next week as we wind up a clockwork locomotive. Thanks for watching, folks, and look forward to seeing you next week.